So next again we are going to convert it into the plural form. So we have certain words written in brackets and we are going to write the plural form of the words in the blanks. So the first sentence is brush your tooth dash before going to bed. So we are going to see what is the plural form of the word tooth. So the plural form is teeth. So you brush your teeth before going to bed. So the word teeth, you don't brush your tooth but you brush your teeth. So brush your teeth before going to bed. The next sentence is it appears there are mouse dash in the barn. So the mouse is in the singular form and we have to convert it into the plural form. So it appears there are mice in the barn. So the plural form of the word mouse is mice. The next sentence, these man dash walking to the bus. So this plural form of man is men. So these men are walking to the bus. So the word men. The next, Canadian goose dash flies south for winter. So when we convert the singular form of goose into plural, it becomes geese. So Canadian geese fly south for winter. So the word geese. This cart is still pulled by ox. So the plural form of ox is oxen. So this cart is still pulled by oxen. The next sentence, put the books on the shelf. So the shelf, when we convert it into the plural, it becomes shelves. So we drop the F and we add VES. So shelf becomes shelves. So put the books on the shelves. Roll the die, it's your turn. So the die, the plural form of die becomes dice. So roll the dice, it is your turn. The next sentence we have, all the dirty knife dash go in the dishwasher. So when we convert the knife into the plural form knives, we drop the FE and we had VES. So we follow the rules, the plural rules. So we drop the FE and we add VES in its place. The next sentence, peel a few more potato for dinner. So for potato we add ES. So we add ES to convert it into plural. So it becomes potatoes. So peel a few more potatoes for dinner. And the last sentence, the dog had a litter of puppy. So puppy, we drop the Y and we add IES. So puppy becomes puppies. So these are the plural form of the words in brackets. So brush your teeth before going to bed. It appears there are mice in the barn. These men are walking to the bus. Canadian geese fly south for winter. This cart is still pulled by oxen. Put the books on the shelves. So we follow the plural rule. We drop the F and we add VES to convert it into plural form. Roll the dice, it's your turn. All the dirty knives go in the dishwasher. Again we follow the plural rule. We drop the FE and we add VES to convert it into plural form, knives. Peel a few more potatoes for dinner. The dog had a litter of puppies. So again we follow the plural rule. We drop the Y and we add IES. So this is a small exercise wherein you change the singular to plural according to the sentence. So moving on to the next exercise, we have a list of nouns and we are going to place it in its appropriate box. So we have people, places and things. So Let us read the nouns in the chart. So we have grandma, country, tree, teacher, rock, baby, pencil, woman, cloud, stove, state, singer, water, city, book, office, policeman and playground. So let us read the nouns once more. So we have grandma, pencil, water, country, woman, city, tree, cloud, book, teacher, store, office, rock, state, policeman, baby, singer, playground. So these are the nouns that are there, and we are going to read each word and place it under its correct position, whether it is people or places or things. So let us see the first word. So grandma. Grandma is the name of a person, so I place it under the people. So I write the word grandma. So I write the word grandma. The next word is, so pencil. Pencil is the name of a thing, so I write it under things. So I write the word pencil. Pencil is a thing that we use to write, so I write it in the things. The next word is water. Water again is a thing that we use, so I write it under things. So write it under things. The next word is country. So country is the name of a place, and so I write it in the under the places. So I write the word country. The next word, woman. Woman is the name of a person, so I write it under the people category. The next is city. City is the name of a place. It's a common noun, so it comes under places. The next word is tree. Again, tree is the name of a thing, so I write it under things. The next is cloud. So cloud again is the name of a thing, so I write it under things. The next is book. Again, book is the name of a thing, so write it under things. The next word, teacher. So teacher is a name, common name for a person, so I write it under people. So teacher. Next is store. Again, store is a place where you store things, so I write it under places, store. The next is office. Office again is the name of a place, so I write it under places. The next word is rock. Rock is the name of a thing, so I write it under things. Next, state is the name of a place, so I write it under places, state. The next is policeman, is the name of a person, so I write it under people. Next, baby. Baby is the name of a person, so I write it under people. Singer again is a common noun for a person, so I write it under people. And playground is the name of a place, So I write it under places. Playground. So I segregate these words and place it in its appropriate columns. So under people I have grandma, woman, teacher, policeman, baby, singer. All these are common nouns. Under places I have country, city, store or storeroom, office, state, playground. And under things I have pencil, water, tree, cloud, book, rock. So these are the names of persons, places, animals or things, and all are common nouns.